the technique here that you want to practice is to make sure that when you strum, this video is just basically to show all the people who are starting out in reggae how to go about learning to play reggae guitar. It's not terribly difficult. In fact, I think it's quite easy, but as with everything, you need some practicing. So that's what we're going to discuss today. I am going to start in A minor. So that's the key that we're going to look at. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's A minor. And how do you hold it? You hold it by putting this finger over the 5th fret, like so, and then at the 7th fret, the 5th string on the 4th string, you put your finger down there. So that's how you hold the A minor. And it should sound something like that. So the technique here that you want to practice is to make sure that when you strum, I beg your pardon, you don't want the chord to ring out like that. You want it to cut off, like so. And all I did there was just lift my finger off the fretboard. Yeah? Like so. You can see that I'm lifting my finger off. So you push it on and take it off. And that's how you actually get that. That chuck sound. Alright? So that's strumming technique that they use in reggae. Right, so after you've got that, so what I want you to do now, you want to practice that over and over. Over and over, you want to practice that. Keep practicing that over and over. Alright? And after about a week or so, you should get the hang of it. Then what I want you to do, I want you to add some complexity to it. So instead of just doing that over and over, I want you then to come down to say to F minor, and I want you to come up the scale chromatically, because then that will help you your fingers to become stronger, help you to be more efficient, and make your playing a little bit easier. So you come all the way down here, and then you're gonna strum. So you strum. So I want you to strum 2 or 3 times in each key. So let's go again. So F. You can do it 2 times in each key. Because this is an nylon string guitar, acoustic, I can't go any further. I could, but I don't want to force it. So, and you don't have to either. But you can go up as far as you want to, you know, and then go back down. Back to sort of like where we started. Alright, so that's now then. So you can even, if you're struggling to play that, what you might want to do as well to get their practicing or get their fingerings under your hands, under your fingers, get the fingerings under your finger, is basically to do the same thing I just did. So you come back down here, and I want you to down again. do that over and over and over until it becomes very easy. Alright, so that's how I want you to practice playing reggae music. When you've done those exercises and you've got it down pat, and it's very easy for you, very comfortable, then you could come back to whichever chord you want. It doesn't have to be A minor. I like A minor, so I always use that one as my reference. And just again, keep strumming. So by that time, it should be very, very easy for you. So you basically strum down and pull your fingers off slightly. Strum down and pull your fingers off slightly. So. That's all I want you to do. So if you can do that, you will eventually get to learn how to play reggae. That's how I started out. Those are the things that I did when I started playing. I started off with these exercises, just like that every day, and then I started learning to strum, just like that every day. And over time, it became easier, and I did it without even thinking about it. So that's what I wanted you to do. So I want you to start off. You don't have to do all those exercises if you know them already. I only put them in there because I wanted for those people who don't know how to hold the bar chord and need to practice that, then they can do it. If you're a person who knows it already, all you have to do is just practice that to get the reggae strumming under your hands. When you've done that, you can then move the same exercise into that shape. So again, I'm holding that with that finger again, and I'm holding, in this case, D minor. So you can then go back down all the way up, and then do. Remember, this is just to help you to hold the chords comfortably and to play easily, alright, to hold the minor. But this is how I would do it. Now, after you've done that, so you can strum that 3 or 4 times. I want you to put that and that together. So the A minor and the D minor together. So you go. Just like so. If you want to make it a bit more complicated, you can put that note in there as well. I think that's E minor if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So that's E minor. So you could then combine everything together. So that's already a chord progression. So that's a 1, 1, 4, 5 in A minor. So that should be easy for you eventually if you practice it. And that's how I want you to approach playing reggae guitar. So again, I want you to strum down and pull off. And then I want you to practice the exercise by doing it. Like so, up and down the fretboard. If you can't do that, you can't hold the chords, just basically practice to hold them first and then play them up and down the fretboard. When you have done that, you do the same thing for the minor in this shape, right? And then you practice it up and down the fretboard, and then you combine them together. Or you can put 3 chords instead of 2. So that's what I want you to practice. So practice those chords, and hopefully you will get proficient at it. That's how I would approach the guitar if I'm learning to play reggae. Whether you have electric or acoustic, it doesn't matter. All right, peace and love. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Okay, it does help, it does help. So I want you, if you're watching this, I want you to subscribe to the channel, and I want you to like it if it helps you, and I want you to hit the notification bell. It will go a long way, and I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you very much. See you next time. All right, bye.